Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We all are here to present our communication skill or learning talent, right? So you all have got your topic, and I hope all are your words and you all have not taken help from your parents. No? Thank you very much. Yes, so I would request all of you to keep yourself on mute. We have an audience, our parents are our audience for today. They are going to hear you. They are going to hear your presentation, your write-up, your article, which you have written on the topic, on the given topic. So yes, we all are on mute and we begin with, this is to remind you your topic. Well,
Ma'am, why are you wearing mask?
you know what is your topic, Vihan?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is to remind you that this is your topic. We will start our class with Ranveer. Ranveer, may I request you to open your mic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ranveer, over to you.
Just
Children, I want everyone to hear each other, okay? Give a listening ear and try to learn something from them. See what concept they have used while writing their article. There may be tongue twister, there may be some creativity, there may be some alliteration, there may be some presentation skill. So you try to learn, or they must have twist the tail. Whatever topic, whatever concept we are covered, you try to think and see that what concept they have used while writing their article. Yes, Ranveer, over to you. I hope you're ready.
Ma'am, I'm going to read it out.
Yes, beta, you're allowed to read. You're allowed to read.
Accepting mask as a way of life. We
One
have to
second,
wear mask.
Ranveer. Expression, effective reading and expression reading is also very important.
Accepting masks as a way of life. We have to wear masks to save ourselves from the COVID second wave. Mask makes us feel suffocated around our face, but there is no choice. We have to wear it. Looking at the conditions now, it feels like people are going to go bananas. The Serum Institute and the other institute have to really burn their midnight oil. Some people have to just spill the beans because people are in tough conditions. The pandemic is not a piece of cake and they cannot let their head down for a second. Now doctors are telling to wear 2 masks for extra protection. People were wet behind their ears to have a pandemic like this. We all have to get back in shape to stay away and safe from the second wave. Many people are getting infected because they are not getting in shape and acting like a couch because they are acting like a couch potato. Thank you.
Oh, whoa. Very good, Ranveer. Very good. You have used the phrases and idioms mindfully to express your views. Isn't it, children? Friends, don't you all think? Very good, Ranveer. Proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
The second one is Vihan Saxena. May I request you to open your mic and present? Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
I
morning.
am Riya Saxena and today I will talk about accepting mask as a way of life. When we tend to go outside The one important thing that we don't forget to wear is the mask. In the starting, it was very uncomfortable to wear, and I always felt like removing it. But given its importance in both era, I also learned to wear it properly and also not to touch it while outside. It saves us from the deadly virus and keeps us healthy. Given this situation, it looks like we might have to wear it for months to come, but I do dream of living a mask-free life. Thank you.
Whoa, Vihan, that was awesome. It is more like what is to be done, right? And it is also what precaution is very important. So it was more like an article. Very good, Vihan. Well expressed. Let us go to Subhan now. Subhan, may I request you to open your mic? Yes.
Yes, we have to. I'm talking about we have to wear mask every day because this is a COVID-19 virus, which is very dangerous for humans. I have feel COVID-19 because we were in quarantine in this house, our house. So I'm saying to all that wear mask while going out, or don't wear cloth mask because it has only 1 or 2 layers, so it has less protection. N95 masks are more protective for us because it has 5 layers. Sometimes doctor also says to boost your immunity to stay safe, but we have to take precautions and go out while wearing mask. Or if you don't wear mask, if you have high alert of COVID-19. Thank you.
Awesome. Awesome, Subhan. It was more like an experience, right? It is an experience. It's like I have experienced this, and this is what I would like to tell you. But very well expressed in words. Very good, Subhan. Thank you very much. We shall follow that. Yes, over to Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here's the vocabulary I've used for my poem today. So it's a poem. So there are two parts. I've used alliterations. I've used narrative types of poems. I've used rhyming couplets. I've used acrostic form, and I'm going to read in the affecting reading manner. So the name of the write-up is "Mask is my rule from man to me." What's a mask? It's just a small piece. So many different designs, embroideries, transparent. What new kind of fashion is this? Well, mask is just a small piece but has a great meaning. MASK. M is material for current living. A is anything you dislike, but it's very important. S is safekeeping and full protection. And K says kindly wear it once you're out. Mask is my must. You'll also get protected from dust. Wear it. It's a request by me, and you will be germ free. Please wear a mask. It's a very important task. This is the new normal. Let's change it by just this small piece of mask. Thank you.
Wow. So she has used all the style, almost all the styles of poem writing, right? So acrostic, narrative, rhyming couples is what we have read. Very well written and very well expressed. I am proud to be your teachers. You know,
Thank
you
you.
all, I am very, very proud to be your teacher. You all
Thank
made
you,
me
ma'am.
feel proud today. I request all of you to open your mic now and comment for each other. So let us start with Ranveer. Ranveer, I want you to comment for your friends.
I just wanted to say everyone out here was brilliant. Everyone out here just was brilliant. Keep it up.
Thank you. Yes, Vanshika, your comments for all.
Ma'am, if we start with Ranveer, then his was very nice and informative. So in a short paragraph, he could convey a big message. Vihan was also very nice. It was a very good attempt, and he achieved it very well. Subhana also wrote a short article, and it was a different topic related to mask. and I was also good.
Thank you. Yes, let's go to Vihan. Vihan, your comment for your friends, darling.
I loved your performance, Ranvi, Vanchika, and Shubhat. We always keep appreciated.
Thank you.
Vihan.
Thank you, Vihan. Yes, Subhan.
Ma'am, I want to say that Vihan also explained like a story, and I liked him also. And
Very
Ranveer explained the article. He
Like an
was using
article.
all things. And Vanchika did her best for writing a poem about mask. And she has also explained that mask has all the designs. Allah. And
Thank you so much.
everyone,
So you mean to say when she made a poem, she had used the facts in the poem, right? So as we learn that in poem, it's not only imagination, you can also put facts in the poem that you are writing. And she has used that skill. Very good, Vanshika. Thank you very much, children. And yes, I would like to say you all were superb and super se bhi upar. It was worth having this class. You made me feel that no, you all have learned from this class. Right? Now we'll go to parents. We will take their feedback also. So with our listening ears, we are going to listen to our parents. Here we begin with Vihan's parents. Yes, Mama is here or Vihan? Your mother is sitting next to you, right?
Mama.
Okay, let her come. Subhan, is your parent here? Anyone, mummy or papa? Mother or father? Nobody. Why?
ma'am, because my mother is talking in phone, and my father is gone to shop.
Okay, you call your mother, say, see if she can come. Please call her. Okay, we'll start with Manshi. Yeah, I think Vihan's mom is here. Yes. Yes, ma'am. So you get, yes, ma'am. So your opinion and your feedback for the English enhancement class. Vanshika, your mom is here. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So you heard
First of all,
Vanshika's poem?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And she wrote it yesterday. And thank you so much for these beautiful 29 days. They just passed of like, even I think I've got into that habit like the wink of an eye. So, so they just passed. And she has been very excited for all the classes. Means even if it is like, ma'am, it happened a day or two, the net was not working. So she made it a point that switch off all the gadgets please, because I can't miss my class. And they have learned a lot because this is not taught in schools actually. Like they learn, they have grammar, they have language, but this is something they're not taught. And I think that is the reason, like, despite of knowing so many things, they are not able to bloom with such beautiful, things that they have written in past these 29 days. So I would really, really thank you for this. And thank you for bringing the capability in them that they could write something like this. And I really wish that if something like this is done every 3-4 months because it will enhance and it is very nice to see and looking forward for more and more classes, ma'am. Seriously, I mean, she is there in for it. She is more excited always than me. So thank you so much.
Right, Dipti, as you very well said, these concepts are not taught in school, and that's why language and other languages also, when I say not only English, are not very interesting. Many children, they have this talent, But these are inborn talents. See, we all attended the same class, but children came up with different ideas. They have put their ideas in different form. So these ideas are actually their unique idea. It's their idea, right? So they have it. It is inborn talent. Vanshika has that talent. It is inborn. And now I can say she can be a good writer. She can be a good author. She can be a good poetess.
Ma'am, she
So
owes
when
this
we
to
do
you.
all these activities, sorry, your turn. Yes.
No, ma'am, please carry on. I'm sorry.
So
Please carry
when
on.
we do all this, it was just a glimpse, of all these things. We may go into details when we have this language program for 8 months, because you can't learn a language in 29 days or rather 27 days. It takes long. But I have just introduced them. I have touched upon the topic, and then we were saying, okay, let's see. Going into the depth, beautiful things will come up, and every day would be a treat. Now, not only writing, but also the values, the moral are also, see, it goes, you don't have to say it. It comes in when you're writing, your thoughts are put in, and you come to know what type of child your child is. So yes, to my understanding, let's put it into a nutshell. Each child is a bundle of joy. So
Absolutely.
enjoy that. Give them scope to grow. It is just a scope. I have not given, I have just touched the topic, and they have explored it, and then they have come up with the thought. So I've just guided them to the direction. This is the path you have to walk. The walk they have completed, I have not done. So all appreciation to my children. They have it in them. Thank you, Vanshika, and thank you, Dipti. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Let's go to Vihan's mom, Meenal.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
good morning.
So, ma'am, he has always enjoyed your classes. So it's just not these days, no. Before also the base that has been created in last year has actually helped him now also, and even in the new school that he is going. So he loves learning those concepts, like what you have taught him about alliterations, metaphors, similes, and everything. I know writing now the way I think in just last 2 weeks also, and obviously the last year also, I'll include the base that he has made. That he is confident in writing, the stories, the poem, attempting that and trying to write rhyming words and everything. So the kind of confidence he has that he can write now without any help and guidance coming from you only. So that itself is great, because whatever he has in mind, it's coming in the form of stories now. So which is very exciting to see. I know also applying those concepts to try to come up with a poem and trying to use those similes and everything. So it's really good to see that he's not only enjoying but keeping them in mind also. They have just settled, those concepts are settled in his mind. So I don't have to remind them again and again, okay, you can use this or that. He's doing it himself, everything. So overall it has been great. So he has enjoyed these sessions. He himself just reminds me, it's my class time, I have to attend it and all.
Good.
It's just that we could attend only for 2 weeks, but I think the last year plus these 2 weeks itself has been great for him. So overall, in terms of the way language he has built his language, so it's been a great experience.
Thank you so much, Meena. Yes, Vihan's presence made a difference because he had his own insight to give. And he kept the class connected. He used to actually, call, hello, Vanshika, yes, Ranveer, yes, Suman. And he used to say, this is the topic you have to write. So he kept the class connected. He was also connected to the topic by saying that. He was also connected to the topic. Of course, writing, he will do, but yes, he has gained a lot. His thoughts are very good. He should learn to just let the thoughts flow, and he should type simultaneously,
Right,
because he
right.
has beautiful imagination and wonderful thoughts.
Thank you.
Very good, Vihan.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
Let us hear from Ranveer's parents. I think father would take a chance. Mother, who would like to take a chance? Father.
I would just want to say that the way kids look forward to the classes speaks in itself how important it is for them. And the way it's throughout the class, they enjoy the session. See, when we look at it, language can be a very boring subject, but the way you have taught us, you have made it so interesting that throughout the classes, I see him laughing and clapping. Online classes are going on. And so hats off to you for keeping that interest in them and ensuring that they love it as a subject. And I'm sure they would do wonders with this subject anyway.
Definitely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Definitely they'll do wonders. Would you like to say something, Kavita?
Before the class, I always used to keep telling Ranveer that you have to improve the way you write. Just writing is not enough. Everybody writes. When you are looking to put across a language to someone, you need to use the best possible use of that language. Language is not just to communicate. After a certain level, you can use a lot of technicalities of the language, which makes your conversation a lot more impressive. Then there is a difference between a person talking English and another person talking in wonderful English. Okay. So now, with this focused effort, I have actually seen him write better. Earlier, he would write just because he had to write. But now I see that he's writing better. And Vanshika, I want to give a feedback to you here that Ranveer always used to be impressed with the way you express and you write. He was always impressed about it throughout the class. You must tell it to her directly. Tell her this.
It impressed me also. I also used to look forward for Vanshika's write-up.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, he was always impressed with the way you were writing. He right from the first class, he used to say that Vanshika is writing so well. I said that's because everybody is learning English, but she's actually applying her knowledge to the language. That's when it becomes impressive. So she was the example of what I was trying to tell him for all these days. Now he actually learned it from you, Vanshika. Thank you for that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So here very well you mentioned the technicology. That is the technique of using the language is never shown in other schools. They don't show how to see thinking. You think, but thinking also has its own process of thinking, right? But nowhere in school it is thought that this is how you should think. What actually we did is, when I say I guided them with the direction, is what I told them how to think. The thoughts are there and how to put forth their thoughts. So thinking was taught, concept was taught, and they could easily walk on the path and see beautiful results has come out. I'm also very happy. Beautiful results around. Thank you very much, Kavita. Let us go to Saida, Subhan's mom. Yes, Saida.
Good morning, Gigi.
Good morning.
I'm very happy. Shubhan has learned how to write. First, his writing is improved. Second, he is making his own poems, then writing his own story. So I'm very much happy.
Thank you, Saida. So, Saida, today, see, in this 27 days, you must have noticed that he can write fantastically, right? He has very good command over his thought, yes, and also English. He has that art of putting and expressing it on paper. Please, as a parents, today I was here to request all the parents that please help your child or give such an environment or cater something that they could sit and express themselves. A simple topic, a current topic, or also, why did you feel angry today? Why were you happy today? Give them such little topic and let them express through all these things that they have learned. And I would request, give them a diary where they can put all their thoughts, and it will be a fun reading for them and also for others. All right. You never know, one out of that poem would be selected for the textbook or for others to read, or you may have your own book to publish in a year or two. But don't give up this practice. Don't give up. We have learned too many things in just 27 days. Please apply them, use these techniques, and go ahead with language. Be expressive. Be expressive through words also. It is not an easy art. It is not an easy art to express yourself in words. And children, you are able to do it. So I would request you all not to give up this, but whenever it's your free time, you sit with your pen and paper, think for yourself and write something. Okay? Is that a promise to me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, Vihan wanted to say something.
Ma'am, we always wear masks when we go out.
Right. You should. Thank you, Vihan. Yes, Ranveer.
Ma'am, I have a diary with me, and every day I write all the feelings I have.
Wow.
I every day write my feelings in that.
Very good. You should. And now you write your feeling in poetic way, right? Write your feeling as acrostic. Write your feeling as narrative, as rhyming couplets, as I am, right? You know what I'm talking.
Yes, yes.
Please do write. Use different techniques to express yourself. Yes, Vanshika, would you like to say something?
It was the best, and I would say that these were not just days; they were the jewel days. So they were so nice that they were as precious as gems. And as Mama said, that nobody would teach us so important concepts which can directly make you a writer or a poet. So that's a very important concept, and thank you so much, ma'am, for that.
Thank you, Vanshika. But I want you to treat me with your write-ups. Children, please write and share with me. I would really love to read. It was like a treat. It was like a treat for me. I used to read them every time, and I used to show with pride to others, see how children are writing. So you all are an example where you are using all these techniques and expressing yourself in words. One day, I also thought of I took a topic and I thought, let me also write on the same topic. If suppose, it's like empathizing with you all. If suppose all of a sudden a topic is given, would I be able to write the way they have written? And trust me, the answer was no. The answer was no. I couldn't have written the way you all have written. Why? Because see, the thoughts came in and you were able to put it. They were very innocent and truth. You did not manipulated anything. The techniques were used and your thoughts were there. You did not need anyone's help. Nor you have to read it. Yaad karna hai. Aisa bhi nahi tha. So I really like that. Be innocent. Keep writing. Put your thoughts. Do not copy. Please don't try to copy. Be natural. When we started our session, I said, see, you may read and read and read, but when you write your own words. You write your own thoughts. Do not adulterate your thoughts with the poet's thought. You can take their thoughts, but you can take the method, you can take the descriptive way or the technique from the author and the poet, but put in your thought. Let it be very natural. All right? Then only you can make something unique. Otherwise, it's all copyright. Theek hai. The way Ranveer was reading that day, the poem, it was all copyright. Make your own poem. Yes? Anyone who would like to say something? No? So thank you very much. We also have a session now for 8 months program, language learning program for 8 months. It's going to be in evening hours. It is going to be in evening hours. If you want to enroll, please give your name to school number. Give it to me also. You can text me personally and then we can start from June. All right? It's time to say bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Hi, thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you all, and love you. Love you.
Thank you, ma'am.